Hi, it's Mel from Illamasqua, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve a beautiful dewy skin. Start with moisturised skin and then apply Hydra Veil, concentrating on the T-zone and blending out. Next, I'm going to apply a small amount of Beyond foundation with a fluffy brush, ensuring I'm blending out to get a sheer coverage. Skin Base Lift is moisturising and full coverage, so I'm going to apply a small amount around my eyes and on any blemishes for a perfected look. For a strobed effect, you can use Beyond Liquid Highlighter on the high points of the face. I'm using OMG, and with a small brush I apply to my cheeks and my brow bones. To finish this look off, I'm going to use a small amount of translucent powder to help set and mattify around my nose, forehead and chin. And that's it, how to create a beautiful, perfected, fresh, dewy skin.